Okay, so take a look. Okay, so here we have a selenite and it has some really bad scratches in it. Apparently this is the Twisted Sister logo that Jeff from Dakota Stones decided to put on it.
That I made with my crystal etching.
Yes, he made with a crystal etching. Look at this. So he etched it. Thanks so much. So he's trying to test me, but the Jooltool is going to polish this. So take your little crystal, and I'm using the coarse diamond abrasive. So I'm going to run it at full speed, give it some water. And we're gonna grind this sucker. Put the vacuum on. So wanna make sure I got it down. So we're pretty good. Right here, so we've got it all nice and clean and nice and smooth. So now I'm gonna use the medium diamond. Run it at full speed. And now this is going to smooth everything down. However, there's like this weird deep line here. I don't know if that's normal. But I'm just gonna keep, yeah, it's natural. I could see it, very flaky stone. Very flaky stone you have here, sir. Really? Yeah. So I'm just ground it down. So I'm gonna use a fine wheel to sand it down. I think we're pretty good. I have no idea. It's like very mushy, this stone. It's crystallized, but it's very powdery. I don't know if you guys can see all this weird powder.
I can see the residue on your hand.
Yeah, it's weird. Actually, I don't need the vacuum anymore. However, remember that charcoal that you had me grind the other day, Jeff?
The jet?
The jet is still on my wheel. So I feel like it's going to transfer, but I have no choice right now. I don't have another very fine. So wish me luck.
Could have just given you a normal jet.
Yeah, you can see some of the black coming off. Oh well. Yeah, because Jeff gave me a jet the other day. Look at all the black. Sorry, guys. Thanks. It'll come off, kind of. So for the most part, great. My daughter. Okay, so here we are. So at this stage, I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to just polish it. So I'm going to polish it and wish me luck, guys. However, one weird thing is, let me just work against this grain. It's weird. It has like a grain. You see it? But I want to work kind of against it. Before I was working with it, and I don't think that was such a good idea. So if you work on this stone, work against the grain, guys. That's my word of advice after working on it. So let me work that. It's really soft. Had I known, I don't think I would have gone so aggressive. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I just want to make sure I'm super smooth. Okay. Now, I'm going to polish it with my felt wheel. No water at this stage. Just with the felt wheel and my polishing compound. Ugh. It's like the weirdest stone. I feel like I could have done this even without the diamond wheels. I feel like this is so soft. I have plenty of other abrasives by 3M.
Yep.
I could have done trizact on this and it would have better cut. Like, really,
grows in one direction, so it's really a
yeah, but honestly, it does. It's so soft that the Trizact abrasive by 3M would have actually done a better job at cutting this, because it cuts extremely even, the pyramid technology, and since this is so fibrous, I would definitely need that to get an even, but it's still looking good, don't get me wrong, but I'm just saying.
No.
In that case.
Wow. That's great.
Yeah, but I don't think I needed even to go that aggressive, is what I mean.
I thought I was setting you up with all the net.
Nope.
Yeah.
Hold it off.
He doesn't know Anie. You know, guys in the industry, back in the day, when they didn't know me in the tool industry, I started being known as, you know, she's got balls of steel. Just so you know, I had to play with the big boys, and after a while they became my friends. I was challenged a lot, so, you know, I can take it like a man.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it looks good. But
Balls of selenite.
Balls of selenite. So I just want to make it nice and even, guys. And you know what's cool? I would even, you know what, since it's so soft, it's really pretty, I might even take the buff and just give it like a buff without even compound, just to kind of brighten it up. But other than that, it's really pretty and polished. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really pretty. Okay, so there we go. Get rid of some of the compound. Okay, so here we are. Yeah, some of the compound streaks you can see, but other than that, we got that pretty polish. You see that, Jeff?
I do.
Yeah, and right there we got that polish. You see that? So again, just to get rid of some of the compound streaks, for this one, I don't want to suggest this for all of them, I'll take one of my buffs and just give it a little polish. I don't do this hardly with any stones, but I feel like this one does. Oh yeah. Take a look at that.
Wow.
It even got brighter, yeah. See, you know what? I feel like stones talk to me. Me and the stones become one. I don't know what it is. It's an, oh my heavens. Oh, it's prettier than when you gave it to me. Wow.
Up to what part is I heard you say before that?
You can go up to
Okay,
9.5.
so right here, we don't discriminate clearly. We've done, okay, so it's like almost transparent right now. You see that? Yeah, that's a good shot right there. So from the Twisted Sister mark that Jeff put on here to this high polish, and you know what's cool? Like, it's a cute little teardrop, but like I would love to put this like a cool little design, maybe geometric, because it's kind of easy to grind and polish. So, but what makes it difficult, and I can understand why people have a hard time polishing this, it's very fibrous and it's not very friendly because it wants to flake off and chip. So I get it, how it's hard on other systems. But on the Jooltool, it's pretty easy. You know, technology has come a long way, boys and girls. Boys and girls, technology have come a long way. You know, we have iPhones, we have all sorts of exciting stuff. So step up your polishing game on your lapidary. You don't want to be those people that use the old system. Who uses a flip phone? Well, some people do. Yeah, I have some family members, but for the most part, get with it, guys. So if you want to polish your stones, I did this on the Jooltool, and this is Selenite, is that what it is? And it came out beautiful. Oh my God, it feels like I put a glaze on it. It feels so yummy. Anyways, you guys, I did this on the Jooltool polishing system. Look at the Jeff, the man who put this mark on it. He knows stones, I guess. He's Mr. Dakota Stones himself.
And since she did that, I'll take one.
You
Sell me a
see?
Jooltool.
We got a sale, guys. That's it. I've made it.
You
I've
passed.
made it. No, anyways. So you guys, I passed. Thank you. So anyways, you guys, We're just joking here, but if you're curious as to what I used, it's the Jooltool system, and we use 3M diamond technology. And if you're interested, you just go to jooltool.com, or if you just want to watch some of my videos, don't forget, subscribe and like. If you have a question, I personally will answer you. You know why? Because I invented this tool. So if you have anything to say, know that I'll be responding to you. Thank you and have a nice day.